My last video, we used the square of the circumference to solve triangles from the circle that the triangle belongs to. Tonight we're going to use the diameter to solve those triangles. Remembering rational numbers is a lot simpler and easier to remember than the values of sine and cosine. We'll be using the circumference squares whenever the degree positions was 1 inch tall. For example, whenever the circle is 1 inch tall at 30 degrees, the circumference is equal to the square root of 38.88. At 60 degrees, when the circle is 1 inch tall, the circumference is equal to the square root of 12.96. And whenever the 90 degree position is 1 inch tall, the circumference is equal to the square root of 9.72. We often use the square root of 2 to solve 45-degree triangles. Why is that? Well, it's because whenever the 45-degree position is 1 inch tall, the diameter of that circle is equal to the square root of 2, which you could use the diameters whenever these degree positions are 1 also to solve these triangles. But I think it's way more fun to use the squares of the circumference. So let's square up. The first triangle up is the 26.565051177 degree triangle. It's a 1 to 2 triangle, which means for every 1 rise, you'll have 2 runs. So this number will always be twice as much as this number. And to make this more fun, we're going to make the hypotenuse, which is the diameter of the circle, 12 instead of 1. And what we're going to want to do to set up our formula to solve this by using those squares, we'll use the square root of 48.6. It will be 12 divided by the square root of 48.6 divided by 9.72. We'll always use 9.72 at the end because it's the base 1 for the diameter. Open your calculator, hit 12 divided by square root, parenthesis, 48.6 divided by 9.72, close parenthesis. And you'll see you get 5.366563,146. And you can test to see if this is right by taking 12 and multiplying it by sine 26.56505117771. Now for fun, let's solve the opposite side of the 30-degree triangle using the square root of 38.88. Type in 12 divided by square root, parenthesis, 38.88 divided by 9.72. And you'll see you get the answer of 6, which is the radius of the circle. And you can test that by taking 12 and multiplying it by sine 30, which is 0.5. Square up.